Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by making sure the software and physical conditions won't block back tap. Update iOS, remove bulky cases, and then open Settings. Once done, go to Accessibility, Tap Touch, and look for back tap. You're beginning the configuration now, so choose whether you want a double tap or a triple tap to trigger the screenshot. This gets you to the exact control that maps a quick rear tap to a system action like taking a screenshot. You're now in the back tap menu. Select double tap or triple tap depending on how often you want to trigger screenshots. Next, scroll the actions list and tap screenshot to assign it. Make a few deliberate taps on the back of your phone to test responsiveness. Sometimes a firmer or slightly off-center tap works better. If taps miss, try changing to the other gesture or adjusting how you hold the phone to ensure consistent activation during everyday use. You should test immediately. Display the content you want, tap the back using your chosen gesture, and confirm a screenshot appears in Photos. If nothing happens, make sure the screen is on, then try without a case and restart the phone. Verify back tap still shows screenshot assigned. If problems persist, enable Assistive Touch for a manual screenshot action, or choose Settings General Transfer, or Reset all settings as a last resort. This often clears configuration issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.